morning everyone. Our group is here to demonstrate the Pythagorean theorem. This theorem is invented by who lived over 2500 years ago.
The theorem only works for a right angle triangle. The right angle triangle has 90 degrees in corner, which angle had L shaped in long diagonals is called hypotenuse.
This model is used by buildings, bridges and etc. The mathematical formula of the Pythagoras theorem is hypotenuse square plus side square plus side square.
The physical concept in our model, the two smaller blocks on side and side. The equivalent is side square and side square.
The light blue watches will rotate the model. This process is used for building bridges and houses.
We use these maths today for GPL, building houses, even landing airplanes. It is simple to measuring height.
It is our second project. It is a quiz. In this quiz, it is a question box. In this some slips are there. In these slips there are some questions. If we solve these questions by using our mathematical skills, after solving this problem, there are some answers in the drops. After solving the problem, we want to throw this ball. We want to throw this ball into the cup where the answer was there. It is a game which improves our mathematical knowledge and it gives us joy and enjoyment by throwing the balls in the cups. I hope you like these two projects. Thank you. In this Pythagoras theorem had L-shaped angle. It is called Pythagoras theorem.
Theorem: smaller square flows into largest square. It is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse formula is equal to side square plus side square.
Good morning to respected principal ma'am, ma'am and teachers, all my dear students. Today's our project is mensuration and this is my team. First, the mensuration is a product which is used in the length, breadth, TSA, CSA, total surface area or curved surface area, length, breadth, surface, total surface area.
Is equal to 2 pi r square. Volume is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube.
My topic is cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder 2 pi r plus area is equals to 2 pi r into r plus h. Curved surface area is equals to 2 pi r h. Volume is equals to pi r square h. My topic is called total surface area pi r l plus r. Curved surface area pi r l. Volume 1 by 3 pi r square h.
My topic name is sphere. Formula of this sphere is total surface area 4 pi r square. Volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Thank you.
My topic is cube. Total surface area is equal to 4 r square. Volume is equal to r cube.
My topic is cuboid. Cube like a brick. Cuboid like a brick. Area 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Curved surface area 2H into L plus B. Volume LBH. A great Indian mathematician Srinivasa Ramanujan invented this magical square, and this is full name was Ramanujan's magical square, and the opposite angles are equal to 139, and all sides are equal to 139. The middle four cubes are equal to 139, and the side of this is equal to 139. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today our topic is types of angle. Acute angle. An angle greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees are called acute angle. Obtuse angle. And an angle greater than 90 degrees less than 180 degrees are called obtuse angle. Straight angle. The angle measurement 180 degrees is called straight angle. Reflex angle. That the angle of 180 degree is greater than less than 270 degree is called reflex angle. Complete angle. An angle measure is equals to 360 degrees is called complete angle. Thank you. was discovered by Sandhya Ramanand. He was born in 1887. The integers are in the area 1567. That's my dear friend will be say about the integer. Integer denoted by Z or N. Negative integer.
The set of a positive numbers and negative numbers along with 0 are called integers was denoted by Z or I. 0, 1, 2, 3 are called non-negative integers was denoted by W. It is whole numbers. Minus 10, minus 9, minus 8 are called non-positive integers.
When the negative integers are producted by the odd numbers, it is called the negative integers. And the negative integers are always produced by the even numbers is called the positive numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. The integers are greater than the integers below it. Thank you. There are two types of number lines. It represent integer, horizontal number lines, vertical number lines. Product of an integer and 0 is always 0. Integers is easy to learn. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Respected principal ma'am, Uma ma'am, and teachers. Today our project is Max City. My team members telling about Max City few lines.
It introduces a Max City built from geometric shapes, highlighting how Max concepts are like area per meter and volume angle.
Coordinates are applied in real world structures like road, buildings, roads, park, making math tangible, fun and demonstrative. It used in engineering and daily life. Thank you.
Cylinder, it has ratios and very height. Rectangle, it has opposite sides are equal and length and breadth. Triangle, it has three sides. Cone, it like curved. Water funnel, it have one curved. Pentagon, it has five sides.
Good afternoon to respected principal ma'am, Uma ma'am, teachers, all students of Sandhya school. Today my project is measurements. 10 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter. 10 centimeter is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter is equal to 1 meter. 10 meter is equal to 1 decimeter. 10 decimeter is equal to 1 hectometer. 1 hectometer is equal to 10 kilometer. Good afternoon to all. We are from 8th class. Today we are clarifying about exponents and powers of law, and we are ready to explain it. First of all, exponent. Exponent is a small number written as a superscript that shows that how many times to multiply a base by itself. For example, 5 power 0 equals to 1. Here 5 is called exponent. And it defined as the method of expressing large number in terms of powers. For example, 5 power 1 equals to 5. Stating that when same multiplication with the base and with same powers. Example, 5 cube into 5 square is equals to 5 power 5. We had an exponent with dividing which can use subtract exponent. For example, x power m by x power n is equal to x power m minus n. 5 power 7 by 5 power 6 is equal to 5 power 1 by is equal to 5. And when raising a power to another power, you multiply the exponents. For example, x power m whole power n equal to x power mn. And among others, the rules for the zero, negative, and fractional exponents of power. For example, 2 power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2.
Graphs are powerful tools in mathematics as they help us to visualize data in simple and clear way. It makes easier to understand, analyze information.
There are four types of graph: bar graph, line graph, pie chart, and histogram graph. A bar graph visualize compile different categories. Using rectangular toes length or proportionality to the value of it. A graph visualizes data as a point by a straight line. Ideals for changes, patterns, the horizontal line is x-axis and vertical line is a y-axis. A pie chart is a circular graph that shows proportion of a whole slice of a pie. Each slice represents a category and its size proportional to quantity is represented.
Use numerical data into that shows a group of continuous numerical data into beans, range and display. Then the adjacent bar shows us
Good afternoon. The ratio is a compares two quantities of the same kind. Example, 2 apples and 3 oranges. The ratio is 2:3.
Proportion is an equation stating that two ratios equal. Example, 2:3 is equals to 4:6.
If two ratios are combined, it means there are 8 squares. Now they are blue color 3. Now the blue ratio is 3/8. Now the green is 5 squares, and then the ratio of 5 green squares is 5/8. Now the ratio is 5:3. 5:8.
Good afternoon all. My name is Ranmesh from 8th class. My project name is probability. First, probability is a measure of the equal to the occurs between 0 and 2. We want a specific outcome. Example, the ball landed on slot 3. Probability. Probability is a change project. A cardboard box with number, the slot, the balls rolls through the slots. Here what happening means.
The ball is dropped into the box and the ball is randomly goes into the one of the slots. Each slot has a number. The probability of the ball is landing on the slots, and same for the all slots.
Calculating probability. To calculate the probability of a ball landing in a particular slot, we use formula number of possible outcomes by total possible outcomes.
In this case, there are 6 slots. The probability of getting slot 3 is equals to 1/6. So the probability is 1/6. Why we choose this project means this project helps students visualize and understand the probability concepts such as randomness and chance, sample space, and calculating probability.
How to play this?
First we write this man. After we said one number and place numbers. That will stand in that number plate.
One number, throwing bar.
We throw a ball ma'am. That will stop that number.
So that is the.
Good afternoon everyone. Welcome to our maths expo. This is our project named fractions time. So first, what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. When we divide something into equal parts, each part is known as fraction. For example, if a cut a cake into 4 equal parts, each part is 1/4 plus 1/4. Types of fraction. Proper fraction. Numerator is smaller than denominator. Examples 2/7, 1/8, 1/3, etc. Improper fraction. Numerator is a greater or equal or improper fraction. For example, 5/3, 2/1, 8/1, etc. Mixed fraction, a combination of a whole number and a fraction. For example, 3 1 by 2, 7 1 by 6, 8 2 by 7, and so on, etc. Like fraction. Two or more fractions having same denominator are called like fractions. For example, 7 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, and 8 by 9, etc. Unlike fractions, two or more fractions having different denominators. Example, 4 by 7, 2 by 3, 7 by 9, 3 by 8, and so on, etc. Unit fraction. The fraction has numerator as 1. Example, 1 by 2, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 1 by 8, etc. Thank you.
Thus, this shows a odd even price computer. It's press the button on the odd even. It shows a odd even price.
Now I show how to be worked out. Press the button of the table. Is a prime and odd number. And press the button of 12. And even number. Odd numbers is 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, and etc. The odd number normal form is 2n plus 1. My friend Dan is going to explain prime and even number.
Yes, even number. Even number is a number that will be used in maths. Even number is plays a main role in numbers. Even number normal form is 2n. It is used simply in addition. Now prime number. Prime number factors are 1 and itself. For example, 1 factor is 1 into 1. 2. 2 is then also called as prime number. 2 into 1. 1 and 2. It like the prime number is also in numbers and rational number. Thank you.
Median. The median is the two halves that equal to the median is a right segment from any vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. If a median have three triangles from class 7. Today my topic is mean. The mean is also known as the average, and it is calculated by the total number of values by formula. Mean equal to sum of all values by total number of values. Now continue. In the mode data, the number is repeated more times is called mode.
A segment from a triangle vertical to the drops at 90 degrees, perpendicular at 90 degrees to the opposite scale extremes and going to the equal to area by base.
The topic is range. The difference between equal data set is value of count is formula highest minus lowest minus is a simple cross mode of the three-line segment. A triangle of 3 sides, 3 plus 3 sides. Formula 1 by 2 is equal to b to h. B means base, h means height.
Natural numbers are a set of all the whole numbers excluding 0. Examples 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. Whole numbers is a
Good afternoon to all. Today's my project is Thales theorem. Thales was one of the greatest mathematicians. In his contributes, Thales was one of the contributors.
ABC, MN parallel, BC, AM by MB, AN by NC.
It is also established similarity between triangles. As the smaller triangles becomes similar to the larger angle.
I would like to say what is meant by congruent. Congruents are two triangles are congruents if their corresponding sides and angles are equal. Congruence symbol is identically equal to. It is used for compare different shapes. Condition
Combination of congruents. SAS congruence rule, SAS congruent rule, AAS congruent rule, ASA congruent rule, RHS congruent rule. Now
Let us explain about the first congruent rule. SSS congruent rule. Side congruent rule. If three sides of congruent rule are equal in triangle, then the triangle are congruent. For example, PQ equal to AB, QR equal to BC, PR equal to AC. And the second congruent rule is SAS congruent rule. Side angle side. Two triangles are congruent. Two sides and the included angle of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of another triangle. Then the two are congruent. For example, AB equal to PQ, BC equal to QR, and angle B equal to angle Q. And my friend,
is ASA, angle side angle. If two triangles are congruent, if two angles and the included side of an one triangle are equals to two angles and the included side of an another triangle. For example, angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q. Angle A, B, C and P, Q are the congruent triangles. Fourth congruent rule, AAS, angle side congruent rule. If two triangles are congruent, if any two pairs of congruent and included side are equal, angle P and angle A are equal, angle Q and angle B are equal, angle P, Q, R and A, B, C are equal.
RHS means right hypotenuse side congruent rule. If two right triangles are hypotenuse and triangle hypotenuse and side of triangle and another side of hypotenuse and example AC is equal to PQ, AB is equal to PQ. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Geometry is one of the most ancient branch of mathematics. In the 200 BC, Apollonius wrote a book called The Conic, which was all about conic sections and
sections are curves formed by intersecting a right cone with a plane. It helps to nature and designing the technology. There are basically four types. First one is circle, second one is ellipse, third one is parabola, and fourth one is hyperbola. Now my friend,
Circle. When a blade cuts a cone with 90 degrees angle, circle is formed. Ellipse. When a blade cuts an angle between 0 degrees to 90 degrees angle, ellipse is formed. Parabola. When a blade cuts an angle equal cone slanted, a parabola is formed. Hyperbola. When a blade cuts a cone with an angle more than 0 degrees and less than cones generated.
And is a full form is automatic teller machine. It is a electron device. My friend Vikas will tell that it is a surface of self service of banking the out times in a year.
Always possible to withdraw money and check the balance and e-transfer friends. You can operate the ATM with the help of the debit card. There is a space to insert the debit card. When we insert the debit card, the menu will fall down.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Missy from 7th class. Today our project is parallel lines and properties. Parallel lines are lines which are never meet at a single plane, while transversal cut two or more lines. Transversal is a line that cuts two or more angles.
There are few types of angles. Those are interior angle, exterior angle, corresponding angle, alternate interior angle, alternate exterior angle. Interior angle of same side of transversal, exterior angle of same side of transversal, vertical opposite angle. Interior angles. There are four of interior angles.
Those are D, C, D, F.
Exterior angles. There are four of exterior angles.
Those are A, B,
HG.
Corresponding angles.
There are 4 pairs of corresponding angles.
Those are AE, BF, CG, DH.
Alternate interior angles.
There are 2 pairs of alternate interior angles.
Those are DF, CE.
Alternate exterior angles.
There are 2 pairs of alternate exterior angles.
Those are AG, BH.
Interior angle of same side of transversal.
There are 2 pairs of interior angle of same side of transversal.
Those are DECF.
Exterior angle of same side of transversal.
There are 2 pairs of exterior angle of same side of transversal.
Those are AH, BG.
Vertical opposite angle.
There are 4 pairs of vertically opposite angles.
Those are AC, BD, EG, FH.
Properties. If a two lines are parallel and cut by a transverse, each corresponding angles are equal. Each alternate interior angles are equal. Each pair of same side of the transversal are supplementary. Vertically opposite angles are equal. Thank you.
Teachers and all my dear teachers and students, good afternoon to one and all. Today we celebrate National Mathematics Day. Today was the birth anniversary of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan born was 1887, December 22, he wrote in Tamil Nadu. He is the greatest mathematician in India. So in 2012, our Prime Minister declared to December 22 is a National Mathematics Day. So he is a greatest mathematician, such as his contributions are unconditionally. So number theories, infinite series, complex analysis, number of theorems and solutions, etc. He is the greatest, such as a great mathematical experiments in Ramanujan experiments. So Ramanujan was a achieved. So next, G.H. Hardy is a mentor of Ramanujan.
My name is B. Durga Prasad. I am studying 8th class. I am saying few words about Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan, great Indian mathematician. From a young age, he showed deep interest in mathematics, solved difficult problems without formal training. He made many discoveries in number theory, infinity series mathematical analysis. He was amazed around the world. In 1913, British mathematician G.H. Hardy recognized his talent and invited him to Cambridge University. Thought his health was weak. Srinivasa Ramanujan worked very hard, made incredible contributions in mathematics. He returned by in India 1919. Ramanujan's life is inspiration for everyone. His birthday celebrated as National Mathematics Day in India to honor to our achievements. Thank you.
He was born on December 22, 1887. His birthplace was Erode in Tamil Nadu, India. And he was living in a small house belonging to her national grandparents. And his father was doing work in a saddle shop. And his family was a Brahmin caste. He is a self-taught genius, academic struggles and Cambridge and formulas and identities and number theory and the Ramanujan number 1729. He was passed away on April 26, 1920.
Today is Great Mathematician Day. Srinivasa Ramanujan was a great mathematician. I will explain maths one table only. Side number 9 ones. This is 9. This is 9 2 z. 9 2 z means left side number is 10, right side number is 1 1. 9 2 z 18. 9 3 z. Third finger is closed finger. Left side numbers is 10 10 20. This is 7. 9 3 z 27. 9 4 z. This is closed finger. Left side is 3 fingers shown open. That is 30. This is 6. 36.
9 5s. Fifth finger is closed finger. 9 5s. This is a closed finger. Left side finger says 40. This is 5. 45. 9 6s. Sixth finger is closed finger. This is 50. This is 4. That is after 9 6s 54. 9 7s. Seventh finger is closed. 9 7s. This is left side finger 60. This is 3. 9 7s 63. 9 8s. 9 8. This is 70 plus 2. 70 plus 2 72. 9 9 9s. This is closed finger left side is 80. 80 plus 1 81. 9 10s. 10th finger is closed finger. Left side finger is 9. That is 90. This is ninth table in easy way method. Thank you.